The newsletter from Boxycharm says that sunny days are ahead. And the newsletter also has lots of products that they want you to buy. It really doesn't tell you much about what came in my box. So let's take a look at the 2 items they picked for Anne and the 3 items that Anne got to pick. First up, they chose a Glow Recipe Cleanser. I am definitely excited to give this one a try. This is Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. That's quite a name. Yes, that is. And let's see what is in here because it's packed with a lot of fun stuff. It's got ceramides that support and fortify your skin's moisture barrier. It has pre and post biotics for balancing your skin. It has colloidal oatmeal, hope I said that right, hydrates the skin and helps soothe and decrease the redness from dehydration, avocado oil to moisturize, and a gentle makeup removing agent. This item covers a lot of ground. Yes, it does, and it has a suggested retail of $28, which, as things go, that's not a bad price because this is 5.07 fluid ounces. The next thing they picked for Anne is from Ronder Beauty, and it is a foundation. Yes, about 4 months ago, I changed my profile to ask them to send me a foundation because I wanted to try something different. It took them a while, but they sent me a foundation, Wander Beauty. This is in the shade Fair. So that is what it looks like, and it does come with its own little powder poof applicator. That's neat. Yes, that is. And it says its price is $42 for the Wander Beauty Wanderlust Foundation Powder. Next up is an item from JX Cosmetics. Never heard of the brand before. I wasn't really thrilled with anything in that category that was available for me to pick from, so I went ahead and picked this one thinking it could go into the Find a Future Home box. This is a 3-in-1 stick. Apparently, it is a lipstick, a blush, and a highlighter. That's quite a combination there. It is in the shade I'm Delicious, which looks red here, yet when you look at it in the photos online, it looks like it's a little bit more red to brown versus bright red. So this, I think, will get passed along. It was something to pick for that category, and it has a retail of $20. I picked a $45 clay mask from Mimi. This has got blue clay and honey in it. Oh, this is going to be a fun one for your series that you do on facial clay masks. That's a reason to subscribe to the channel so you can see what happens next. This is 50 milliliters, and the cost on this is $45. And it has a Moroccan clay in here, and like I said, there's honey in here, so I'm definitely excited about this product. And her third choice was from Steel Cosmetics. It is a Power Retinol Under Eye Mask. And if you're looking to see first opinions and first impressions, check out my shorts feed because that's where I will put a lot of first impressions. Another reason to subscribe to our channel. Yes, I'm promoting the channel. Be sure you click on subscribe and give this video a like. This is a package of 5 for $25, I think. Let me check. Yep, we checked. It's $25 for 5 under eye sets, which is about in the middle price range. I've seen everything for a 5-pack from $6 to $75. So $25 is not too over the top. It is a renewal eye mask and powered by retinol. That should be an interesting test. Yes, it should. And overall, my box had a value of $160. And my top 3 items are the Wander Beauty Foundation, the Mimi Clay Face Mask, and the under eye patches. And if I forgot to mention, one of the things that also impressed me about the facial mask is that it gives an expiration date at the bottom down there, and it's a long ways out. This expires in 12/17/2026. I like it when we get an expiration date on a product. Those were Anne's favorites. What did you see in here that you liked? Did you get any of these? Tell me all the details, because I'm a nosy camel and I want to know all the details. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If by chance you're not familiar with Boxycharm and Ipsy, we get to get 5 full-size items. That's always nice. And they pick 2 of them based on a profile that you fill out. And then you get to pick 3 of them, which is really great. Yeah, and most of the time I find something that I like in the choice areas. This time I picked something that I'll pass along, and that's perfectly fine. We like to share. So the cost for this on a monthly subscription is $30. Then there's a $2 fee. The shipping is free. There are taxes, depending upon where you live. So you're looking at about $35 on the average, I would say, per month. You can do a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription, and that will lower the cost, but you do have to pay that all up front. Something to consider. Always spend responsibly. Yes. And we have a link down below if you're interested in trying it. Thanks for watching, and as the camel said, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like and comment and all that good stuff, and there should be something popping up on the screen that you can watch, or you can check out that link that I have down in my description box, along with a lot of other fun links. So we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.